huge updates from the Seeds airdrop, which I'm going to share with you guys in this video. Now, of course, there's loads of things to talk about, which stems all the way down from the listing, the seed monsters, as I like to call them, and of course, how to also connect your Sui Wallet to the Seed app, because now it's currently the Seedverse, and you have to connect your Telegram and your Sui Wallet to be able to get the best out of it. And of course, at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you guys the predicted listing price come April 1st, which is the official listing date of the Seeds airdrop. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Inoko Kedere, and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Now, of course, as you guys know, Seeds airdrop has done the TGE since a very long time, and we've been waiting to get more news about the listing date. But instead of that, they brought in the Mon Boxes, the Seedmonsters, this and that. But currently, they have the Seedverse. I think it's a brilliant idea. You know, I'm always open to a project developing and going mainstream, which Seeds is doing just the right thing. I mean, if you go all the way to their Discord channel, it is lively in there, which I love. You know, I love where there's the communication. I love where there's the activity. But Seeds is coming to a very clear, full-blown project, which is also termed the Seedverse. But anyways, let's get right into it. Now, of course, as you guys can see, I'm now in the Seeds update channel on Telegram, and they've been speaking about the 100,000 boxes, 300,000 boxes, this and that, Seedverse, and also the listing date. Now it's less than 10 days. Seeds will be listing on the 1st of April. Now, I think this will be very huge. But of course, I also have bad news. The bad news is that at the end of the video, I'm going to do the listing prediction. But the bad news is that I do not think what we have mined so far will be enough to make you that money or that income you're expecting from the Seed airdrop. I think they are making a very good ecosystem, a very good game, just like the Pokemon Go. And I'm going to show you guys everything as we go on. Now, of course, as you guys can see, I'm now in the Seed app on Telegram. And the first thing I would like to mention is that many people have problems connecting their Sui Wallet to this interface, to the project in general. And all I will say is that, first of all, it was advisable that the best way for you to connect it is using your desktop or using a browser where you can download a Sui plugin. But the best choice I'm going to give you guys is all you need to do is go to your app, your mobile phone, or whatever you're using, download the Sui Wallet, the Sui Wallet. Now, as you guys can see, I have the Sui Wallet over here. And then it is easier to connect your Sui Wallet to your Telegram and your SeedGo app just by downloading this wallet. So of course, I'm now in the wallet, and I did not need to create a new wallet. All I did was import a previous wallet that I had Sui already on. But you do not have to worry about that. You can use any one. You can create a new one or import an already existing one. It is your choice. But I just imported an already existing one because I already had Sui on it. But of course, if you create a new one, all you have to do is come all the way here to the screen. You guys can see, and just go to receive. You click your wallet, and then you can reload or you can recharge your Sui wallet from any central exchanges like Bybit, BitGet, whatsoever it may be. You can just post this receive address and credit your wallet. Now, why am I talking about crediting your wallet already when we're just talking about creating the wallet? Because if you want to use this on the Seeds app, for example, you want to make some transactions, you want to buy some seed monsters that are already in the marketplace, which I'm going to show you guys very soon after I show you guys how to get this done. But anyways, we're now in the Sui wallets. You can see we have home, earn, assets, app, and activity. All you need to do is come all the way to apps, and in search or enter a URL. All you have to do is search playseedgo.com and then go search. That is the exact web page that you need to search in the Sui Wallet browser. Okay, and now you guys can see I'm here already. It says the SeedGo ecosystem, play SeedGo around the world. Just think of this as the Pokemon Go, you know? think of it, it will be so easier and you can understand the game so much better. So of course, I think seeds will cook, but maybe not the first part, not the seeds token, because the listing price calculation I did was not nice at all. But anyways, you guys can see this is the seed gold, and you come all the way to these three hamburgers on the left side of the screen. It says dashboard, the SeedMon marketplace, Seedbox marketplace, white paper, and Seed DAO. And I'm just going to go all the way to dashboard, and it brought me back to my dashboard. As you guys can see, that is my username, connected wallets, that is the Telegram and the Sui Wallet. And then you have two wallets that are connected to this project. You have your spending app and your wallet. As you guys know already, this is my Sui wallet, which is showing everything here. There's currently no seeds on the wallet, so it is 0. But on the spending app, which is the project, I still have my seeds and Sui. But if you want to transfer from the wallet to the spending app, you guys can see we have the option to even send Sui. We can send more and more Sui into the spending app, which is going to be spent on the project. Now, as you guys could see, when I went all the way to setting up, you had the SLOVE, SEED Mon, and Mon Boxes. Now, these tokens are very, very useful and vital for the Seedverse. SLOVE, for example, is going to be used to upgrade your characters, to upgrade your monsters, to maybe give them energy, to buy some things from the marketplace. They will be all useful in the Seedverse, which is something very good. They already have their use cases already. Okay, so that is pretty huge. And now I'm going to go to the marketplace to show you guys already. People have started selling their Seed Mon NFTs, and for really high prices even at that. It is insane. It is very, very insane. I also placed the bid for one of them a couple of minutes ago, but this is the current market. And the good news is also that they said the Seedmonsters are now trading really high on this TradePort.xyz. So it's one of the highest trading NFTs or projects already, even in the Sui blockchain. So that is already huge, and it's a good win for the Seeds airdrop. So guys, as you guys can see, this is everything. This is where you can buy, and you can also list your own seed monsters. So we're going to go all the way back into the app. Now the game has been changed. It's totally different. You need lots of seed monsters to help you hunt whenever you're close to a tree. For example, you guys can see this is where I'm currently at, and this is a tree here. For me to utilize my seed monsters, I have to be around this tree, and then when I click on the tree, then I can click start hunting. Okay, so that is the very crazy. It's just crazy. Now the hunting will bring a whole lot of gifts and prizes for you. So that is very huge. Now going all the way to get to the Mon Boxes, you can see there is no Mon Boxes that could be sold. I bought mine for 200 seeds, and I thought that was even too much for the start. I thought it was too much. I rather used Sui to buy the boxes than to even use my seeds at that point, because it's just crazy. And you come all the way to airdrop, you can see you can still check your airdrop and do the basic things we already did prior to now. Now, the big thing I wanted to share with you guys is the listing price. And how are we going to check that? I'm going to go all the way to our Telegram channel. While the Mon Blind box was going on sale, I noticed a couple of things that I wanted to share with you guys. The first of which is here, as you guys can see, it says 8 Sui will buy you a box, and you had the chance to buy 5 boxes. 200 seeds will get you a box, and you had the chance to buy only 3 boxes using the seed token. But then using this as a parameter, at this point, one Sui was trading for 2.4. So I went all the way into the calculator and I said, okay, how do we calculate this? And I'm going to show you guys right away. Now, if one Sui was trading for around $2.4 and 8 Sui is directly proportional to 200 seed, as you guys could see here, it's a 8 Sui will get you 1 box, 200 seed will get you also 1 box, but you could get only 3 boxes using the seeds. You could get what? 5 boxes using the Sui. So of course, 8 Sui is directly proportional to 200 seed. That means 8 times 2.4 is equals to 200 seeds, as you guys could see there. So that's apparently $19.2. So 200 seeds will sell for $19.2. If that's the meaning, then one seed, as you guys could see also here, one seed would go for 0.096. And this was at a point when the market was really low. Sui was almost trading for 3 or even 4, and when the market was trading very well. So apparently it looks like one seed will be trading for 0.1. So if you have 200 seeds, you'll be expecting $20. If you have 600 seeds, you'll be expecting $60, which in my opinion, I don't think it is all that bad, but it is very low. And this means in a nutshell that first phase of the seeds airdrop is not what will cook. Probably it's the coming phases that will cook. So guys, that is my own predicted listing price come April 1st. I think one seed will be going for $0.1. So do you guys think that is much? Also put your thoughts in the comment sections, what you think about the listing price come the 1st of April. So for now, that is basically everything I wanted to share with you guys about the Seedverse, because that is what it currently is. It's not just the seed airdrop currently, it is the Seedverse, the Web3 project. So of course, you guys can put your thoughts in the comment sections. I'll be waiting to reply. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next one. Peace.